CAC students, it's Miss Priscilla here. Today we're going to be doing a DIY wreath, and this is something that you can do with your parents or your siblings or anyone that you live at home with. Hopefully, you know, you're staying safe, you're staying at home. If you don't have the supplies for it, maybe you can try looking around your house or even going to your backyard and using some of the supplies in replacement of some of the things I'm going to be using. Hopefully you guys all like it, and I look forward to seeing these when you get back to school. This is a sign that I got at the Dollar Tree as well, and I'm gonna cut this little Happy Easter part off and use it on top of here. I'm gonna start off by putting some glue right here. I wanna make sure that you put enough glue so it can attach. Then we're gonna use this and attach it on this. Now flip it around and make sure you put glue on all the parts so it can hold it. Now I am grabbing these eggs and I am gonna start gluing them to our wreath as well. Make sure you add enough glue so it can stay on there. We can basically start overlapping them on top of each other. So gluing them on top of each other like this. What it looks like right now after you put all the eggs. And next we're gonna start using these little mini ones to poke them on here as well. And next I'm gonna add some up here. So I already did one just for fun. It's looking so next, cute. I'm adding some of this, which I got off of the Dollar Tree as well. Some greenery. And I'm just gonna start stabbing it in between the branches, and we're gonna put hot glue to secure it in a bit too, but we're just trying to see how it's gonna look so far.